Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today, beta, I will send you the PDF. So, from today onwards, you are going to share your PDFs. Okay? Wait a minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now, look here. Keep your cameras open, everyone. Yes, good morning, everyone. Now, look here. Today, I will send you the PDF of maths, chapter number. Wait,
Ma'am, 3.
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, let me speak. Today, I will send you the chapter number 2 PDF, that is of addition and subtraction. So, बेटा सबको आने दो, थोड़ी देर बाद बताती हूँ. अभी there are very less friends. Let them all enter. उसके बाद बताऊंगी मैं ये PDF then between the class. Let them all enter. Okay. Now, so open your maths fair notebooks and books. What we were doing last time, let me check it. Wait a minute.
I have done questions of multiplication.
Yes, we were doing, I think we were doing this word number stories, right? Rita jumps we have done na? Rita jumps wala question we have done?
No, ma'am.
Rita jumps wala we have to start.
No, ma'am.
Students wala we have done? Students wala.
We
No,
have
I
done
have
till
not
3.
done.
There are 35
ma'am.
students in each section. Correct? Have we done
Yes,
that?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have done it.
Okay, that means we have to start from, okay, everyone take out page 40 in your maths book as well as notebooks also. Page 40 in your maths books. Take out page number 40 in your maths book, everyone. Anika, Kunal, Parmeet and Jasrina. Please switch on your cameras. Anika, Parmeet, Jasrina, everyone, please switch on your cameras. Excuse me.
Ma'am, we have done 2 questions.
Okay. Excuse me. Now third question, 35 students wala we start karna hai.
Yes, ma'am.
35 students.
No, ma'am.
Very
No,
good,
ma'am.
Riya
Rita
Tarav.
jumps. No, ma'am. Rita jumps. Ma'am, Rita jumps the
No,
rope.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have not done ma'am second one now, so ma'am we have to do.
Acha. So we have done the
Ma'am,
third one. Yes,
fourth one.
that's okay. Yes, that's okay. Take
Yes,
out maths
ma'am.
book, page 40. Okay. Now I think the strength is already here. So, Ashutosh, read the fourth question from the book. Read question 4 from book.
Ma'am, we were doing third question. You were explaining it, then the class was over.
35 students wala.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. we have done. Ma'am, ma'am, we have done it. And we have not done second one, so ma'am, we have to do today fourth one.
Yes, third वाला तो कर लिया है ना. Everyone has done it. Why are you making a chaos, everyone?
Yes, ma'am,
Second,
we have
third
done.
वाला बेटा वो था जिसमें 35 स्टूडेंट थे एक सेक्शन में. वो कॉपी में किया है ना आपने? Let me check the D group. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am,
Let
we
me
have
check the
done.
D group. Wait a minute. D group.
Yes, ma'am. We have done it.
अरे yesterday I have not sent you the work of these previous two questions. नहीं भेजा था कल. Okay. चलो I will send it today. Yesterday's work I will send it today.
Ma'am, may I send?
ये कौन दिखा रहा है? Jastrina? Yes, we have done the 35 वाला नहीं है Jastrina? Yes, correct. We have done. Now we will start from question 4. Now we will start from question 4. I know that we have done question 3. So I'll send you the remaining answers also today. चलो अभी भेज देती हूँ. जिसने नहीं किया वो कर भी लेना. Okay. अरे why I have not sent these pictures? Just give me a minute, beta. Or they has done all the word problems, still they are not. I think I did not send the work yesterday. Okay, चलो अभी भेज देती हूँ. Wait a minute. Otherwise, I will forget. Yes, Ashutosh, read the fourth question. Ashutosh, read the fourth question.
Okay, ma'am. Sage. मम्मा मेरी बुक नहीं है यार आप.
Who is this? Ashutosh. What is this? Open your camera also.
Ma'am, you excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yesterday you sent the message of the work.
What?
In the D group you sent the work, ma'am. The third one.
Oh, actually it is missing. Okay, okay. I sent the work, but the chat is deleted actually. So that's why I'm not able to find it. Okay. Chalo Ashutosh, start reading it. Ashutosh, read it. What are you doing? Chalo Vamika, you read the fourth question. Vamika, read the fourth question.
Mama, I have read it.
I did not heard it, beta. I did not heard it. फिर से बोलो.
Rita jumped the rope 175 times every day. How many times has she jumped the rope after 30 days?
Okay, now see here. Rita jumps 175 jumps. How much is she jumping? 175 jumps. In every day. Every, what do you mean by every? I told you a, and, each, per, every. What do you mean by that?
One.
What do you mean by
One.
that? One. Every day.
One.
Every day means one day. In one day, she is jumping 175 jumps. Now you have to calculate how much jumps she do in 30 days. So how will you calculate? For one to many, what
Ma'am,
we
we
do?
have
We know
to-
about one to many. For one day you know, and for many days you have to calculate. For one day
Ma'am,
you
we
know,
have
and you have to
to-
calculate for many days. That means you will multiply here.
Ma'am, multiply.
Yes, good. Multiply. Okay. So we will start doing the multiplication. What will be the first statement?
Ma'am, Rita, number of jumps, Rita.
Number of jumps in one day. Number of jumps,
In one
or you can say jumps
Yes,
in one
ma'am.
day and jumps in number of that particular number of days.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start doing it. Take out maths fair notebook and you can continue from the same page. No, you can continue from the same page because it is the previous one.
Ma'am, we have to write the number, or ma'am, we have to write the spelling.
As you wish, it's all up to you. Okay, because these are word problems and you should know how to frame your own statements. Although I will tell you so that you cannot make a bad one, इसलिए मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, but you should make it on your own. ठीक है? It's not compulsory कि जैसे मैं लिखती हूँ आप वहीं से वैसे ही लिखो. No, मैं लिखती हूँ मतलब statement may change your language. You may change your language for the statements. Okay, right, Rita. Put dot.
Ma'am, the second statements can be write, ma'am, the number of jumps in 30 days.
हाँ बेटा, मल्टीप्लाई में क्या होता है ना, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड में फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, मल्टीप्लाई में स्पेशली, डिवाइड में तो चेंज हो जाती है कभी कभी, मल्टीप्लाई में फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट ऑलमोस्ट सेम आती है. ठीक है, बस नंबर चेंज होता है वो वाला. 1 की जगह वो नंबर आ जाता है जितने नंबर का हमें कैलकुलेट करना होता है. ओके, सो राइट हियर jumps in 1 day. Jumps in 1 day. How many jumps are there in 1 day? 175 jumps in how many days? They are asking for 30 days. Jumps in 30 days is equals to 175 multiplied by 30. Okay, like this. Same number, same statement लिखते हैं, बस 1 की जगह वो number आ जाता है. So you will start multiplying here 175.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to send on WhatsApp.
No need to send it. I think you know how to do it. I think now the strength is almost here. Now I will tell you about the PDF. You are grown up enough. You know how to solve it, so you can do it on your own. So Rita jumps dash times in 30 days. Don't send it, okay? Because you know how to do it and how to place it. So let's not waste time in solving this. Sending the answers, because I already told you the our statements. Yes, for regarding PDFs. So I'm writing this side. This side is for your information. Okay. And homework. Yesterday I've given you any homework? No, I haven't given you. Today I will give you. Don't worry about it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, today I will give you one page. I will just send it on the WhatsApp group. वो सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं. ओके, जो मैं अभी अभी रुक जाओ. ठीक है, अब पीडीएफ, रिगार्डिंग पीडीएफ, वेट अ मिनट.
Ma'am, I have done
today. Abhi, I will share after the class. I'm telling you the timing from when to when. To if today and tomorrow. You have timing till today. अब मैं पूरे week मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये. Today and tomorrow. There are 2 days. आप 2 दिन में भेज सकते हो मुझे ये PDFs. बस. And timing is, I'm giving you a lot of times. So I will give you time from 5 p.m. 5 p.m. कर देती हूँ. 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. बस इसके बीच में मेरे पास PDF आएंगी. So I will check if after this timing, if the PDFs are going to come with me, I'm not going to check it. ठीक है?
Ma'am, it's only for copies or books.
Only for notebook. जितनी मैं भेजूंगी ना, अभी मैं भेजूंगी अभी. After the classes, I will send you PDF. मेरी कॉपी में जितना काम है वो तो होना ही चाहिए सबका. सिर्फ वही काम. Notebook work is not important. Notebook work is very important. Okay. 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. मेरे पास PDF आएंगी तो
Okay,
मैं check
ma'am.
करूंगी. Otherwise, I will not check. I will not consider them.
Okay, ma'am.
You have 4 hours to send your PDFs. उसके बाद अगर 10 p.m. या 11 p.m. पर PDF आएगी, I will not check it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have time. Today's 9 p.m. to 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tomorrow's 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Yes. From today and tomorrow. बेटा आपकी एक्टिविटी तो नहीं है Father's Day वाली?
Yeah, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's on 20.
When?
Ma'am, tomorrow we have to send.
Ma'am, we have
Tomorrow you have to
the
send. At what time? At what time? What is the timing? Till 4 p.m. होती है वो तो.
Ma'am, the time is not fixed.
नहीं, timing is there.
4 to 5.
No, there is no timing.
4 to 5.
अरे वो जो हिमांशु
Yes, ma'am,
ने
there is no timing.
there is timing. Before 4 p.m. you have to send all the activities.
Ma'am, 4 to 5.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, I will have classes till 5.
Till 5 है ना? 5 के बाद तो नहीं है तुम्हारी क्लासेस, है ना?
Ma'am,
तो ये क्या लिखा है? 5 p.m. to, है ना? उसके बाद आप 9 p.m.
Ma'am,
तक
that's
free
the
हुए.
correct.
Even if you have classes till 5 p.m. आपकी 6 p.m. तक भी अगर क्लासेस है तब भी आप 7 p.m. 8 p.m. 9 p.m. कभी भी भेज सकते हैं. आरव एंड मोक्षित क्या हो रहा है ये?
Ma'am, I have done Mamika.
Okay, let's start the next question. Don't send it. Let's not waste time in sending it. Okay, next question. Yatharth, read the next question.
549
And beta, yes, very important. Wait a minute. Very important. Often you forget it. No personal PDFs. No personal message. Only on the group. So many of you just keep on doing this. Beta personal message पे कोई PDF आएगी, it will be definitely lost. No personal message. Only the group messages. Only group message. No personal message. Only group message. On PDF. PDF के लिए for this. Only group. ठीक है? Yes. Now Yatharth, you can read.
549 people can sit in an aircraft. How many people could sit in 32 such aircrafts?
Okay. Now see, an aircraft. What do you mean by an aircraft? Yes, Athar Gupta. What do you mean by an aircraft? Athar Gupta, I'm asking you. You are playing.
Ma'am, I have done.
हाँ तुम्हें क्या बेटा मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ अथर्व गुप्ता कि तुमने वर्क कर लिया या नहीं. Are you present in class or are you playing? तुम्हें पता है मैंने तुमसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है? You know that what question I've asked you? मैंने तुमसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा है अथर्व गुप्ता, and you're not answering. That means you are playing. Open your mic. Open your mic. Atharv Gupta, open your mic.
Ma'am, I am not playing. I am sharpening my pencil.
Don't lie. Don't lie. I was looking at you. अब sharp करने लगे आप pencil. Don't be over smart. I asked you one question. What is it? क्या था वो question? मैंने तुमसे एक question पूछा. यथार्थ ने question read किया. उसके बाद I asked you one question. What was that question? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. I can tell.
Well, what was that question? बताओ क्या पूछा था मैंने तुमसे? If you were not playing. Very good. Very good. Now he is opening the book. What is this going on? Now you are opening the book. मैंने तुमसे पूछा है an aircraft किसे बोलते हैं? If it is given an aircraft, what does it mean? And you are playing. What do you mean by an aircraft? I'm not asking you to read the question. मैंने नहीं बोला है कि question read करो.
Ma'am, the meaning of aircraft is space shuttle.
अथर्व गुप्ता, next time pay attention in the class. अगर तुम नहीं ध्यान दोगे ना, I'll throw you out of the meeting. Okay. So I have seen him playing. That's why I'm not just asking. That's why I asked you to switch on your cameras. Okay, Arhan, what do you mean by an aircraft?
Ma'am, an aircraft means one aircraft.
Yes, very good. An aircraft means one aircraft. If there is one aircraft, okay. So if there is one aircraft. In one aircraft, how many people can sit in one aircraft? One aircraft में how many people can sit? 549 people can sit. And they are asking you for say such. And beta see, what do you mean by such? Such means same type of. If we are writing 32 such aircraft, that means same type of aircraft. ठीक है, तो 32 में कितने बैठेंगे? How will you do it?
32 divided by 549.
Divide by? Divide by?
No, ma'am, multiply.
Okay. देखो, you know how many people can sit in one aircraft. One का आपको पता है. And you are there asking for many aircraft. So one to many में क्या करोगे? One का पता होता है, many का calculate करना होता है. So we will do the multiplication. Yes, good. So what you will write here? People in one aircraft. People in one aircraft is equals to, how many are there? 549. Yes. People in 32 aircrafts is equals to 549 multiplied by 32. So you do the multiplication here. 549 multiplied by 32. Athar Gupta, and there are so many like Athar Gupta, they are playing. There are so many students. I know their names also to play karte during the classes. They don't pay attention in the class. I know their names even. I'm not taking their names. I will just catch them red-handed someday, like Athar Gupta. And he's lying also. I'm sharpening the pencil. Anika, I will share you the chapter 1 also, previous work. Okay, Anika? Because you are the new student, so I'll share you the previous work also.
Ma'am, I asked you to have done.
Okay.
Then can I send this on WhatsApp group?
No need to send.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, beta. Wait for some time. Let others also completed. Then I'll start the next one.
Ma'am, the exercise is complete.
Yes. I will teach you now. Give me some time. That others also completed. Then I will start.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am done.
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Everyone has done. Shall I start the next one? Everyone has done. Who is still doing? Tell me yes. Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Ma'am, I'm still.
Ma'am, I am still doing.
Okay, beta. Okay, okay. Do it, do it, do it. Those who are
Ma'am, I
still
am
doing
still
it, just
doing.
do it. Those who are still doing it, let them do.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, done this correction karena.
Ma'am, done Rena Agarwal.
Ma'am, I have done. I have done Bhavya.
Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing it. Okay, जल्दी से answers बताओ. Let's start the next one. जल्दी से बताओ इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
And the answer 17,560. The answer is 5,250. And second
Yes.
is 17,250.
Okay, this one is coming how much?
And 17,560.
Okay, see everyone, check your answers. No need to send it on WhatsApp.
Answer is
Anika,
correct.
Anika, I've shared the work. Okay, Anika. Chapter 1 और 2 में इतना ही कराया था. Chapter 3 में we are just started it. Okay, let's start the next question. Wait a minute. Chalo, let's start the next part. Everyone has done it. I'm going to stop sharing it this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted down? अच्छा, homework मैंने आपको भी send नहीं किया. अभी I will send it. Wait a minute. Maths homework. Okay. अरे, चलो I'll share it in the after some time because I'm not getting the homework. Okay, now I'm going to start the next question. Wait a minute. Let me share the next link.
Ma'am, we can do some exercises of book.
Which book? It's not required, beta. बस एक question दिया था मैंने बहुत पहले. Wait a minute. 3B 3A. Yes, now I'm going to start it. I'll share this work also. Look here, I will share the homework. अच्छा चलो आज तो आप PDF बना रहे हो ना, so I'm not giving you homework today just because you're making the PDF today. Tomorrow I will give you the homework. आज PDF बना लो, आज जिसका भी मैथ्स का वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं है वो कंप्लीट कर लेना, ठीक है? जिसका भी मैथ्स वर्क नहीं है वो कंप्लीट कर लेना।
मतलब हमें PDF बना के सेंड करें।
हाँ, आज मेन वर्क यही आपको, और सारा चेक कर लेना भव्य, जितना मैंने कॉपी में दिया है वो आपको वैसे तो होगा, आई नो वेरी वेल, तुम्हारी तो होगा, बट देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट दे डोंट डू द वर्क, दे आइदर गॉट एब्सेंट, आप कभी एब्सेंट हो जाते हो या आपसे कभी कुछ रह जाता है, तो पीडीएफ से एक बार टैली कर लेना कि कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है। ओके
मैम मैं एब्सेंट मैंने कोई क्लास इसमें लेफ्ट
चलो ठीक है, एक बार टैली कर लेना। टैली मींस एक बार रीचेक कर लेना कि मेरा कुछ रह तो नहीं गया। So today what I'm going to do, and जिसने वन पीडीएफ फर्स्ट पीडीएफ सेंड नहीं करी थी, I have their names. Don't think कि मैम के मेरे पास पूरा रिकॉर्ड है बेटा, you will get marks for the notebook also. जिसने मुझे पीडीएफ चैप्टर 1 की शेयर नहीं करी है, I will not give the marks. 2 marks will be deducted for each chapter. 2 marks will be deducted for each chapter. ओके चैप्टर 1 की पीडीएफ का जब टाइम था तब आपने सेंड नहीं करी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिडक्टेड 2 मार्क्स। अब चैप्टर 2 की पीडीएफ सेंड नहीं करोगे, आई विल डिडक्ट 2 मोर मार्क्स फॉर दैट। ओके
आई विल सेंड
बोथ ऑफ बस ओके नाउ लुक हियर, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 10, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड। मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय टेंस। अभी मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया था, for example if I've given right now I've given you one question, the question was like 175 you have to multiply by 30. Okay, suppose it would have been 10, अगर ये 10 होते, अगर आपको इसको 10 days में बताना तो 175 का 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना, so how will you have done it? आपने ऐसे करके 175 multiply by 10, 0 0 0 0 5 से 0 0 7 से 0 0 0 से 0, then 5 7 1, then 0 5 7 1. This is such a long method. Okay, why so? Because we are doing it, we can do it directly also. Answer क्या आ रहा है? 1750. So how to get the answer of this one? कैसे आया ये आंसर? अगर आप लोग इस और इसको आंसर में क्या सिमिलर दिख रहा है, एक जीरो ही तो एक्स्ट्रा दिख रहा है 175 के आगे, so वो जीरो आया कहाँ से? See 175 को सिर्फ हम 175 वंजा कितना होता है, 175 वंजा कितना होता है?
175
175 and this zero at the last will be put over here. ये जो लास्ट में जो जीरो लगा है उसे हम यहाँ लगा देंगे, सिंपल, ठीक है? Understood? Now let me tell you one more.
Okay ma'am. Can we also do in the thousands?
हाँ अभी बता रही हूँ भव्य, just wait for some time. Suppose the number is 2365 and you have to multiply by 10. So what will be there? So आप 2365 को सिर्फ 1 से multiply करो, only by 1. If you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number. So you will get 2365 here. You will get 2365 here, and this zero in the end will be put in the end.
Ma'am, mean if in the question it's come that
Further you have tell this.
चलो अच्छा अब बताने दोगे? Let me teach you right now. Keep your mics off. Now let me teach you. I don't like when I'm teaching anybody speaking in between. First I teach you, सब complete कर लो, फिर I will ask you doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, then multiply by 100. If I give you the same number, multiply by 100. No need to do the whole multiplication, beta. See, if there are zeros in the end, 2, 3, 5, 6. What is 2, 3, 5, 6 ones are? What is 2, 3, 5, 6 ones are?
2 3 5 2 3 5 6
और ये जो लास्ट के 2 zeros आते हैं, लास्ट के 2 zeros आते हैं, will be 1 0, 2 zeros in the end. Understood? For example, अब देखो 352 multiply by 1000 if we have to do. Multiply by 1000 if we have to do. So आप फिर 352 को 1 से multiply करोगे. 352 को 1 से जब multiply करते हैं, what we will get?
Ma'am, 352.
352. और ये जो 1 2 3 zeros, ये 3
Ma'am, 3 zeros. Ma'am, at the last.
Understood? Now look here. One more thing. Now look here. Look here. Suppose if the question is 68 multiplied by 20. So what we will do here? No need to multiply पूरा 68 को 20 से पहले 0 से multiply. Don't do it. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है? 68 को 2 से multiply करना है. सिर्फ आपको 68 को 2 से multiply करोगे. So you will get 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. 136. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 136 तो ये रहा. And how many zeros are at the end? 1 0.
Ma'am,
1. Now suppose if I've given you 75 multiply by 300. So no need to do the whole multiplication. No need to do the whole multiplication. Just multiply 75 by 3. सिर्फ 75 को 3 से multiply करना है. What will you get? 75 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. 2 to 5 is the answer coming. So we will write this answer 2 2 5 here and count the number of zeros. 1 0 2 0. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros.
Ma'am, 2
So
zeros.
we will write 1 0 here and 2 0 here. So this will be the answer. Understood? We do need not to multiply. Jasrina, first let me speak, beta. We need not to multiply with the zeros. पूरा इतना लंबा calculation की needed नहीं है. We can just solve this in a corner. उतना part आप corner में solve कर लो and write the number of zeros in the end. Yes, Jasrina, what were you asking? Now you can speak. Anika, beta, please switch your mic off. Yes, Jasrina.
Ma'am, I forgot what I'm saying.
अरे ये क्या होता है? इतनी जल्दी कैसे? How can you forget? चलो, remember, think about it. What you were asking, you can ask again. अथर्व गुप्ता, अब तो तुमने कैमरा भी ऑफ कर दिया है. You can play with switching off your camera, right, अथर्व गुप्ता? अभी I scolded you for playing. Arav, please keep your mics off every time. Yes, anyone has any doubt in these questions? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am. No,
If you-
ma'am.
No, don't say no, ma'am. बेटा आप दोनों मैम बोलते रहते हो. जो yes मैम बोलता होता है वो बोलता ही नहीं है. वो उसकी आवाज ही नहीं आती है. So if you have any doubt in these type of questions, you can ask me.
Yes, ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, yes, Vamika, beta, speak.
Ma'am, if there is number 3, ma'am, 5, yeah, 400, we have to calculate it like
Okay.
this only.
Like you are saying, Anika, like if you have 500 or 400 like this. Are you asking this question, beta? This one? Yes. Now look here. She is having problem that if we are doing it multiplied by 5, how we will do it? तो आप बेटा क्या करोगी? सिर्फ 568 को 5 से multiply, तो आपको इतना तो करना पड़ेगा. 68 को आप 5 से multiply in the corner you can do 8 5s are 44, 6 5s are 30 plus 4 340 आंसर आ रहा है. इसका आंसर 340 आ रहा है. Don't consider this zero as this zero. ये 340 आंसर का जीरो है. And these two zeros will be put in the end. Okay? Okay, Vamika? Now you have any doubt? Now, Vamika, do you have any doubt now? Anybody is having any doubt? These type of questions बहुत easy होते हैं बेटा. Simple multiplication होता है इसमें. Yes.
Ma'am, I just correct.
Yes, just correct.
Ma'am, I am saying now, this method you have 10. Now we have to write like this only, or